video. I'm Sidecar from affiliateship.com, and in this video we're going to look at 6 big benefits of cloaking your affiliate links. Okay, so affiliate cloaking is a great way to mask or cloak your affiliate links so that your links are not revealed and look nice and professional looking. Okay, so when you receive an affiliate link from your affiliate program, it will usually be a link from one of the domains, and will have some important information embedded within the link. This information will contain stuff like your affiliate ID, the affiliate product ID, campaign ID, and could be anything else related to the affiliate program. Okay, and as you can imagine, this link will appear to look like a link that may not make any sense when you share it with someone, and that's where cloaking comes in and solves this problem as one of its purposes and benefits as well. So with the cloaking service, you can kind of mask or cloak the original affiliate link and change it to something more understandable, user friendly, and better looking. So after you generate a cloaked link, right, from the original affiliate link, cloaking basically redirects the cloaked link to the original affiliate link page. So for example, one of my affiliate links is to my mentor's free webinar training course on affiliate marketing. So the original link, right, starts like this. Look, it says http 4plink1.com/NLN PHP ref and all that stuff, right? So it's a long link and you can't even understand it, right? And my cloak link is the following. So that's my affiliate cloak link. So it starts from my domain name and then /SCW. As you can see, the cloak link appears nicer, and you can tell it's from my website in comparison to the original link, which is designed more for technical purposes. So let's look at 6 big benefits for cloaking your affiliate links. So here's some general benefits for using cloaked affiliate links. Okay, so first, they appear to look nicer and more understandable. Like I mentioned, sometimes long affiliate links with all sorts of numbers and characters, you can't understand it, right? And it's long. So with the cloaked affiliate link, they'll appear to look nice for the audience as well. When your visitors are looking at the links, they look nice and understandable to look at, and they can easily understand it. As long as you make it understandable, right? Because you can set it to what you want your cloaked affiliate links. Second one is increasing trust. Okay, so you can also help in increasing trust by creating cloaked affiliate links that are generated from the domain name of your website. Okay, so just like the example, my affiliate links I showed you. So affiliateship.com is my domain name /SCW. As you can see, it's linking directly from my website, so my audience may have more trust in clicking on the link because knowing that it's originating from my website. Okay, so next thing is they protect and mask your original affiliate link. So this is so that your affiliate links are covered up and protected. Okay, so link theft is another one. There have been cases where some malicious software can potentially scan and replace your original links or affiliate links online, with their one, whoever's trying to carry their malicious activities, right? So that they can actually take the commission instead of you. So cloaking can help minimize and prevent these incidents from occurring, as you'll have your cloak link masking the original link. Next one is you can track your affiliate links in different ways. When you cloak affiliate links, you can create different links from different traffic sources. This way you can track which affiliate links were clicked on from which traffic sources, and you can optimize the traffic, and you know which campaigns, for example, are performing better and which are not. Next one is create branded affiliate links. So when you create affiliate cloak links from your own domain, it can help with your brand building as your affiliate links appear to be coming from your own domain. So here's another example, right? My website affiliateship.com/CM. Okay, this is an affiliate link for a tracking tool that I use called ClickMagick. So instead of using the clickmagick.com / whatever traffic affiliate link it is, I just simply created a link branded for my own domain, a cloaked link, and it just goes straight to my affiliate link of ClickMagick webpage. Okay, so those were just some of the benefits and importance of cloaking your affiliate links on your website. So let's now look at some popular ways to cloak your affiliate links. There are affiliate cloaking services available to accommodate different web platforms. For affiliate marketing sites, in my experience, I've seen it's very common for affiliate sites to be based on WordPress platform. And for WordPress, a very popular link cloaking app, it's called Pretty Links. Okay, I use this on my own website, affiliateshop.com. Also, for example, the following link, affiliateship.com/SCW, is cloaked using the Pretty Links plugin, and which takes seconds to create. As you can see, the cloak link appears as a link from my own domain name. I also call the link SCW to shorten the actual link from the main website, and it's simple for my audience to take in and apply. And if you have a WordPress system installed for your affiliate website, you can install the Pretty Links plugin from your plugin section by selecting Add New and then search for Pretty Links, and it should appear where you can install it and activate it. And it's free as well. Pretty Links are free as well. Okay. So if you're not using WordPress, then there are still some quite a few options actually, and you can try the following sites. The first one is addme.com /linkcloaker.html. Okay, so this is a simple web-based site system that cloaks your affiliate link. The link you cloak will add its website name and then the link name that you set. For example, your affiliate link will be linked off the website domain addme.com /your cloaked affiliate link. It's not ideal, obviously. It's based, it's based from their own website affiliate link, but it still gives you that service of a cloaked link. Okay. There are also various other link tracking tools online that technically do the same thing. Okay, so a link tracker is an essential tool that will allow you to track the performance of your campaigns. I mentioned ClickMagick before, and we'll talk about that as well. So on the link tracking tools, your campaign links are automatically generated with a unique tracker link, which also marks your original affiliate link. So with tracking tools, there are so many out there, and here's just a few of the popular ones, and these are all paid services. So with the, like I said, with the link tracking tool, it also the link that it creates, and it also obviously masks the original affiliate link, so that becomes a cloak link as well, right? So first one is ClickMagick, like I mentioned. This is the one that I use to track my paid marketing campaign and also my free ones. And this one is great value for money, and I think it's one of the lowest costs. It's very popular with the affiliate marketing community. Number two is linktracker.com. This is another one that does the tracking. Has some features for affiliates to cloak the links. ClickMeter is another one. These tools appear on the first page of Google, or when I search this particular brand company, and it's a very popular tool with features accommodated affiliate marketers. So there you have it. So the big benefits of cloaking your affiliate links, and very important that you take the time and effort and investment to cloak your affiliate links. You don't have to cloak your affiliate links, but if you don't, you're left with links that don't make sense, have random numbers and characters, and for the various reasons mentioned in this article in this video, and not ideal to use the way they're provided to use to you. Therefore, using some link cloaking tools will enable you to protect your links, make your links easy to read and understand for your audience, for your readers. In addition, you can also create links that are branded from your own domain name, giving them the more professional appearance. Okay, your affiliate links. So thank you for watching. That's it for now. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. If you like more stuff like this, visit affiliateship.com /newsletter. Okay, thank you and all the best.